Today we're going to be trying out some Restoration Shop Hot Rod Flatz Urethane Satin Automotive finish from TCP Global. We'll start with one coat of sealer to darken up the primer a bit and to establish a nice uniform substrate. That should help achieve a nice, even, smooth satin look. To make sure you get a dust-free job, the environment really doesn't matter. What matters is that the surface is clean. All of the dust that you get in a paint job is already on the surface before the first coat. To make sure we have it dust-free, we'll first blow it off with the air nozzle, wipe it down with wax and grease remover, and then finally hit it with a tack cloth. Just before you spray it, you'll hit it with the tack cloth. And this will pick up any last speck of dust. The first coat was a tack coat and somewhat on the dry side. This second coat is going to be wet and we might do a double coat. After letting it dry, this is what it looks like. I mixed it correctly, sprayed it correctly so that it was very uniform, and to be honest, I'm not real happy with it. I'm not sure if you can see it real well, but there's a little bit of a splotchy look to it. And again, this was sprayed so that it was nice and even, uniform, all the orange peel or the wetness was even across the whole panel. And this is how it dried. So we're going to wet sand this down and spray it again. When I get that finished, I'll be back. After a couple coats of base coat black and 2 coats of Autobahn matte clear, this is what it looks like. Much better. Here's a shot from the other side and a close-up from the front. If you're having trouble with flat matte or satin single stage, here are some things that might help. Do a practice panel like this before using any product you're not familiar with on your project. Every product is a bit different. Some work well and some don't. If you're spraying in cold temperatures, make sure the surface you're spraying and the paint, hardener, and reducer is at or above 70 degrees. Mix the product well and according to the instructions. Finally, make sure your coats are evenly applied and you wait 15 minutes between coats. Some products and videos suggest waiting until the previous coat has completely flashed off or the entire appearance is flat, matte, or satin, whatever you're using. I hope you enjoyed this video on working with flat, matte, or satin finishes. If you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.